Hey guys, so we have an update in the Dacara Thompson case out of Maryland. Her unaliver, Hugo Hernandez Mendez, the 35-year-old who was arrested in connection to her death this past Friday, appeared in court for a bonds hearing. Ultimately, his defense attorney waived his right to have this bond hearing. So basically, he is agreeing to stay in jail without the opportunity to be released, without the opportunity to basically challenge the probable cause affidavit. Now, a lot of people may be wondering, why would one do this? Well, according to what it says online, some defense attorneys will do this in order to bargain with the prosecution to get a better plea deal for their defendant. I really do hope that a plea deal isn't even something that is on the table, something that the prosecution is thinking of. I don't think that this guy deserves one whatsoever. Also, Tara Jackson, the Prince George's County State Attorney, did speak out today and said that she isn't concerned about this man being in this country illegally. She is concerned about getting justice for Dacara Thompson. Authorities are currently still investigating exactly what went down the night that Dacara went missing. They say that surveillance footage shows her park her SUV and walk to a parking lot behind a Family Dollar store in Langley Park. She then approached a SUV, spoke to the driver for a little bit, and then got into the front passenger seat at about 3 o'clock in the morning. And that is ultimately when this man who was in the SUV driving brought her back to his place, and then she was ultimately unalived in his bedroom. One of Hugo's roommates, who was actually in the next room over, said that they heard grunting noises. They thought that he was having sex with someone, but it sounded like the other person wasn't enjoying it. I personally feel like this was the sounds of him taking her life. And had his roommate intervened, it's possible that her life could have been saved, or this guy could have been arrested a lot sooner. So long story short, this guy is going to remain behind bars for the time being. He will be appearing back in the courtroom next for his arraignment, where he will plead guilty or not guilty. I'll be sure to keep you guys updated on the latest information pertaining to this case, so make sure to follow. Let me know what you guys are thinking in the comments.